Y'all want to see how I lay down this lace closure wig? Then keep on watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video today. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay my lace closure wigs down. As you guys can see, I already have my wig cap on. I already glued my wig cap, and I already put foundation up there to match my skin. And here's my wig. And first things first, I'm going to brush my wig to get all the knots and the tangles out to make sure everything doesn't get in my way when I'm trying to put on the wig. And now I'll show you guys the closure. And look at her, isn't she beautiful? And this hair is from Londalyssa Hair Company. It will be in the description box below. And I just threw the bad boy right on. Now before I do anything else, I like to brush it. I like to adjust it and make sure that it's where I want it to be. The parting is where I want. And now I'm just pulling down the dome cap in the back to make it more tighter. Adjusting the wig even more. Making sure my part is straight. Alright, once you get everything straight, you can go ahead and get ready to flat iron. I'm using my iron flat irons, and I have them set to 430. Okay, so I'm about to just run through my hair with the flat iron. It's not good to flat iron your hair every single day, but I'm doing it today because I haven't worn this wig in like 2 days now. But don't put heat in your hair every single day. It's not good for the extensions or anything. Any type of hair you have, your hair is not good for heat every single day. So yeah. And I have it on 430. I think it goes up to 450, but I have it on 430. So I want it blown straight. But I'm not gonna really put I'm not gonna go through it as many times. Burnt my foot off. Okay, so as I'm flat ironing, I'm not going through the same piece of hair like 3 or 4 times. I'm trying to limit going through the hair. So I'm trying to go through the hair like once because I don't want to put a lot of heat on the hair like I said. But as you guys can see, this hair is straightening beautifully. Like, this hair is everything. And my discount code will be in the description box below as well, if you guys are interested in buying some of these bundles. Okay, so now once you like flat iron both sides, I like to put all of my hair in the back and flat iron the back because as you guys can see, it's kind of like dented. So I just trying to get that straight as well. And now I'm just going in with my old wand curler to flatten out the top to make sure everything is just flat. Now if you want, you can apply oil to the hair. I applied oil the other day to the hair and I don't want to put too much oil in the hair because I just washed it. Now I'm going into my foundation color. This is like the same color as my skin. And I put this all on the lace. And I just dab it in. There's some still like back there, so I'm gonna really focus back there. But I put it all in the front. Just grab my face. Now, I'm kind of debating if I want to put glue down because I'm not going anywhere and that's just be like wasting glue. Don't be wasting glue if I just put glue. I'll probably end up throwing it down, so let's do that. So I'm gonna use my got to be freeze blasting spray. I can't dance worth nothing. It's sad. Okay, you guys, at this point, I'm really about done. I'm just going in with my freeze blasting spray to give my lace closure a more secure hold. And then later on in the video, I'm going to be using my Ghost Bond glue because I didn't like how the freeze blasting spray was working. And I wanted a more tighter hold, so then I'm going to just grab the Ghost Bond. And that's really it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. The video is really self-explanatory, so you guys can just watch it for yourself. I'm just done talking for now, and I will see you guys in my next one. See you later. Okay, y'all. So I'm done. Ah! That's like my third time. I almost dropped my phone. I need to get it together. So this is how I install my lace closure wigs. It still got to dry and I got like some makeup on my hair, but it'll be alright. So y'all see this hair though? Go check out Londalyssa hair. Get you some of these bundles, honey. Okay, you guys, this is the end results of my hair. The wig is laid down, glued down. Oh, it's on my finger. Some cotton balls. But yeah, the wig is laid down, it's secured. And to me, it looks pretty darn good. This is like my first lace closure wig that I made. And I think I did a good job. Like, I was so skeptical at first when I first did it because I was like, I can't do this. But I was like so tired of just getting sew-ins. Like my previous hairstyles that you guys seen were sew-ins. This is my first time wearing wigs, and I kind of like it better because you can switch up the hair, like your hairstyles. One day you might feel straight, one day you might feel pink, one day you might feel purple, one day you might feel gray. You can just switch it up. So I like wigs way better. But yeah, okay you guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're new, welcome to my channel, girl. Make sure you subscribe, okay? And go check out Londalyssa hair. Get you some of these bundles that have been the Brazilian body wave, the lengths of 18, 16, 14, and a 14-inch closure. And I have a discount code. It'll be in the description box below, including the website. And yeah, see you later, loves.